In the world of aviation, there is one topic on everybody's lips: fuel. Prices are ever rising and account for more than 60% of an airline's operating expenses. Electric aircraft are in development, but their applications are very limited. Yet their benefits can be applied to certain areas of aviation. None more so than aerial agriculture. The large fluctuations in weight per mission mean that the aircraft is often burning fuel inefficiently and poses an opportunity for a hybrid. Now there is a solution: the world's first hybrid agricultural aircraft. Designed by Bolt Spray Industries, this aircraft is powered by a hybrid system consisting of a turboprop and an electric motor, and offers significant fuel savings. Welcome to the new era in aerial agriculture. Welcome to Project Electric Mist.